16 daily things that can destroy testosterone levels in men. Number 1. Vitamin D deficiency. A lack of sun exposure or insufficient intake of vitamin D can lower testosterone levels. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in hormonal regulation and overall health. It influences testosterone production and the function of testosterone receptors in the body. Number 2. Lack of adequate sleep. Poor sleep quality or insufficient sleep can significantly reduce testosterone levels. During sleep, the body naturally produces peaks of testosterone, which are essential for energy, muscle mass, and overall health. Lack of sleep also disrupts the circadian rhythm, which regulates hormone production. Number 3. Poor diet. Diets high in sugar, refined carbohydrates, and trans fats can decrease testosterone levels. Essential nutrients like zinc and healthy fats are important for hormone production. A poor diet lacking these nutrients can disrupt hormonal balance and reduce testosterone levels. Number 4. High stress levels. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can suppress testosterone production. Cortisol is a stress hormone that, when elevated, creates hormonal imbalances in the body. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Number 5. Excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can negatively affect testosterone levels. Alcohol can disrupt hormone balance and impair the body's ability to produce testosterone. It can also lead to other health issues that further impact hormone levels. Number 6. Lack of strength exercises. Not engaging in resistance or weight training exercises can lead to lower testosterone levels. Strength exercises stimulate the production of testosterone and help maintain muscle growth and physical strength. Regular exercise also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, which can negatively affect testosterone. Number 7. Smoking. Smoking tobacco can reduce testosterone levels and harm overall health. It can affect blood circulation, impacting the delivery of nutrients and oxygen needed for testosterone production. Smoking also introduces toxins that can disrupt hormonal balance. Number 8. Obesity. Excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, can lead to lower testosterone levels. Fat cells convert testosterone into estrogen, reducing overall testosterone levels. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for hormone balance. Number 9. Exposure to endocrine disruptors. Chemicals found in plastics, pesticides, and personal care products can interfere with hormone production. These endocrine disruptors mimic or block hormones, including testosterone. Reducing exposure to such chemicals can help maintain hormonal health. Number 10. Lack of physical activity. Being inactive can lead to reduced testosterone levels and muscle loss. Regular physical activity helps stimulate testosterone production and maintains muscle mass. Inactivity weakens the hormonal system responsible for testosterone production. Number 11. High soy intake. Some studies suggest that consuming large amounts of soy products may affect testosterone levels. Soy contains phytoestrogens, which can mimic estrogen in the body. Moderation in soy consumption can help maintain hormonal balance. Number 12. Overtraining without recovery. Excessive high-intensity exercise without proper rest can negatively affect hormonal production. While exercise boosts testosterone, too much without adequate recovery can increase cortisol levels and decrease testosterone. Balance between exercise and rest is key. Number 13. Lack of healthy fats. Not consuming enough healthy fats, like omega-3s, can hinder hormone production. Healthy fats are building blocks for hormones, including testosterone. A diet rich in healthy fats supports optimal hormonal health. Number 14. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water can impact overall health and potentially affect testosterone levels. Dehydration can lead to increased cortisol levels and stress on the body. Staying hydrated supports healthy bodily functions, including hormone production. Number 15. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long periods without physical activity can lower testosterone levels. Physical inactivity can lead to muscle loss and decreased testosterone production. Regular movement and exercise are essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Number 16. Too much sugar. High sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, affecting testosterone levels. Excess sugar can increase body fat and disrupt hormonal balance. Reducing sugar intake helps maintain healthy testosterone levels. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle with good sleep, diet, exercise, and stress management is important for supporting healthy testosterone levels. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.